In today's video, I'll show you how to install the Chromium web browser on Ubuntu 24.04. It is a lightweight browser that offers a user-friendly interface similar to Google Chrome, allowing users to open multiple tabs simultaneously without overloading system resources. This makes it an excellent choice for Ubuntu 24.04 users with limited system memory. Let's dive right in. First, let's make sure your system is up to date. Then type the following command and hit Enter. This will refresh your package list and you install any available updates. Once it's done, we're ready for the next step. Now let's install Chromium. Type the following command in the terminal and press Enter. This command downloads and installs the Chromium browser from Ubuntu's official repositories. The process might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. You can check the version installed using this command. Once the installation is complete, Chromium is ready to use. To launch Chromium, click on the Applications menu in the bottom left corner of your screen, search for Chromium and click on it. And there you have it. Chromium is now up and running on your Ubuntu 24.04 system. You can customize Chromium to suit your needs, add extensions, change themes, and sync your Google account for a seamless browsing experience. Explore the settings menu to personalize your browser. To remove the Chromium web browser from Ubuntu 24.04, use this command. You can also install the Chromium browser on Ubuntu through the built-in App Center. Using the App Center allows you to select and install various versions of the Chromium browser, including the latest release. That's it for today's tutorial on how to install Chromium on Ubuntu 24.04. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy browsing!